the 3rd of July 2013, so I'm at work. I actually haven't eaten anything, so I'm gonna eat now. My food is hot dog. So yeah, I'm gonna eat hot dog now. Seriously, there are times that I don't eat at home. Mainly kasi nagmamadali ako. I'm always in a hurry to go to work. So I have 8 things here. Thankfully, my mom gave me enough food. Hey girls! Okay, so it is 1900, which is 6 o'clock. So, I'm gonna eat my dinner now. Hindi ko na mahintay si Ayan. So, tonight's dinner is... yung sa food. Ano? Sa pili na lang. So, how much total sa food?
Ano sa'yo, Beb?
Leche plan, tatlong turon.
Ilang leche plan?
Isa.
60 plus
Yung
45.
45. Tapos yung tatlong turon. 6. So, how much total?
108.
108. Okay. I will make lista of that.
Leche at nagpud ka ba? Kung wala kasi yung start, wala akong magkakaroon. Okay. Para mo pa, ano ba? Payday o ngayon? Sige. Ano mo ka?
Yeah. So, I'm gonna eat dinner, which is Bicol Express. So, I'm gonna eat now. Tip na. Bakit yan?
Ano nga yung sa'yo, Ate Lea, ngayon? Ayun, express. Yung Bicol, yun lang.
I'm gonna set up first.
Ate Plan.
This is Bicol Express. Lalagay ko lang siya dito. And then, rice will be here. Then, okay, if you guys don't know what Bicol Express is, it's basically pork with chili and coconut milk. So it's really nice. It's kind of spicy, but very delicious. Yeah. So I love Bicol Express. I love food. I love spicy food basically. So I'm gonna eat now and then talk to you guys later. Hi guys. Okay. I just finished eating Bicol Express. Super spicy, but definitely love it. So right now, my stomach is aching. Like seriously, it's like, what are you doing? You're making me scream in pain. And I am screaming in pain right now, deep inside. Like my stomach is not okay. This is not good. So I think I'm just gonna drink some coffee or some warm water because that's the only thing that can calm my stomach, and then have my class. Well, my class is in like 45 minutes. Okay, Aji. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys later. Kiss? Dog. Look at that. Louder, honey. Look at that. Not that, honey. It's that. Paraseo. That. Okay. It's a big egg. It's a One more time, honey. It's a big egg. I fell on it. Okay, honey. We could just stop at this part, okay? Okay, I noticed you did not read your book today. So, honey, I want you to read on your own next time, okay? You were also eating your words, honey. I want you to open your mouth more, okay? Okay. So, honey, I would like you to practice more on fluency and reading skills, okay? Okay. So, let us move on to our next book. What happened in school today, honey? Really? Wow, congratulations! So, what did you do when you won? Did you eat pizza or did you have ice cream? Oh, okay. So you don't celebrate after. Oh, okay. Well, actually, that's good, and I congratulate you. Maybe you're a good player. Really? Oh, you have to show me your skills next time, okay? Okay, maybe when I go to Korea, you show me your skills, okay? Okay, Seungin. So, are you ready for class? Yes? What is the title of the book? That's right. It is The Bison Are Back. I'd like you to read the book for today, beginning on page 2. Okay, honey, you could stop reading at this part, okay? Okay, so our lesson for today basically is about Robert Stillwater protecting the bison. So, have you seen a bison before? No. Really? On pictures? Well, actually, I think there's no bisons in Korea, also in Asia. Because bisons, or they are also called American bisons or American buffalo, there's actually a lot of call to them. They are mostly an ox-like an ox-like creature that has large head and high humped shoulders. I think there was a cartoon that has a bison on it. I can't remember the name, but it's a very it's like, what do you call this? It's like, have you seen a yak before? Do you know? Yes, a yak is actually like a bison, but you can see it in Nepal or Tibet. So it's actually like a big cow, but it has a humpback. Okay. Okay. So actually, bisons or American buffaloes, they're protected now because there's only a few of them left. So that's the job of Robert Stillwater. So where do you think the story took place?
Let me finish yours.
Okay, it was actually mentioned in the first part of the story. It was in Oklahoma. Okay? Okay, actually, Oklahoma and other Midwest states, they have a lot of bisons. So that's why they protect it, because the skin and also the fur and the meat of the bison are high quality, as I saw on the internet. So do you think if there's a bison in Korea, it would be very useful?
Which one do you find?
Oh, okay. Well, that's actually right. There's no bisons there, but if ever there would be bisons, they would be in the mountains, don't you think? Yes, okay. So, sweetie, you did very well on our lesson for today. You've actually improved on your reading skills, which I'm very, very proud of. I remember last time I asked you to slow down but now it's just right. Very good. So I would just like you to practice more for improvement, okay? Okay, do you have any questions for teacher? Oh, okay. Actually, in general, I don't know how many there is. There are how many bisons there is in the United States, but there are more or less around, I think, 100,000. So that's the one that I've read before when I was in school. So I'm not sure how many they are now. Okay, so any more questions, honey? Yes, well, actually there are a lot of prairies in America because that's where usually the bisons live. Okay? Okay, so very nice job on today's lesson. So Hyun, please do practice more on our next book, okay? Our next book is The Whale Music. So please read this book and listen to this evening, okay? Okay, thank you so much, honey. Have a great evening, okay? Alrighty, bye!
Yes. So, you think,
Ay, pinahirapan ako ng batang yun, ha? Dami tani. But in fairness, I love that. 6, punya mers, punya tera, wait lang. 2, 6, 9, 3, 1, 2. Hi! Okay, so I'm just gonna do my report before I talk to you girls. Mabilis lang to, promise. So, medyo natutuwa ako kaya I just need to tell you guys this. Wala ako sa wisho today. Atensya na guys, kasi basta, I have a good news. Naman yan eh. Syunga-syunga te, syunga-syunga yung keyboard. Syunga-syunga. Yan, fourth call. Final call. Fourth call. LMFAO, rock the beat, then rock the show. Okay. Let's do it. Okay. So, move like Jagger tayo today. So, hi guys. Okay, so I am done with this class. I still have 1, 2, 3, 4 more classes. I have 4 more classes to go. 10 minutes pa naman yung break ko, so I could talk. So, one of the good news for today is that yung student ko, my student that gives me migraines, like, seriously, I love my students. I really do appreciate them. I try my best not to be angry at them. Pero itong estudyanteng to, it just makes me go to that point that I want to go to Korea, hunt him down, and make him read the book. That's how frustrated I am with him. Like, kung pwede nga lang talaga, pumunta ako ngayon ng Korea just to tell him na, hoy, magbasa ka ng libro. Something like that. So, another thing I would like to tell you guys is that I received an email from a girl named Dang. Hi, Dang! So, she actually sent me a long email, which I was like, whoa, haba ah. That's the first reaction I got. So, it was kind of long. It was like how she liked my video, how she became my fan. I wouldn't say fan. Kasi if you're a follower of my videos, if you're a subscriber, I don't treat my subscribers as subscribers. More of like friends. Na I didn't know I have people watching me from the US, people watching me from, I had one email from girl from Slovakia, and then one from, one from Slovakia, one from Scandinavia. Scandinavia ba yun? Basta somewhere in Europe. And they're not Filipino at all. So they were like, I like watching your videos, you're really fun, you're really kalog. And the thing that they liked about my videos is that I feature the Philippines. So, there you go. And then my work. So, this email that I received and I just started reading is from a girl named Dang. And she told me how she likes my videos, how she was intrigued because I vlog during my work, during my during here. So, and then the last part of her video is, not video, of her email is that she wants to send me items. So, she has an online shop. Unfortunately, hindi niya mention sa email. She wasn't able to mention it on the email. But I would really appreciate lang if you if it's okay, you send me your email, your link for your online shop so that I could put it on the description box so that other girls that do watch my videos, may it be on my beauty channel or here, will be able to check out your stuff. Kasi I usually buy from Cuties and Charms. If you have seen most of the stuff I have, like, pakita ko sa'yo. Like this kabuki brush is from Cuties and Charms. I buy mostly a lot of stuff from Micaela, which is the owner of that shop. So she told me she wants to send me some stuff just because. And for me, medyo nakaka-touch. It's something that I don't really expect people to do. Like, I didn't really know that totoo yun. I didn't really know that people do send stuff to people like me na nag-YouTube just because they're fond of me, natutuwa sila sa akin, stuff like that. So, I'm kind of like, totoo na ba to? But then, I really appreciate it. I would really hope to meet you kasi she lives in Alabang. She's from the South. So, actually, I don't really go to the southern part of Manila kasi I don't know a lot of people there anymore. Most of them have already migrated to the States. So, wala na akong friends sa Alabang. So, I think I have one now, which is Dang. So, Dang, thank you if you're gonna send me stuff. Pero, alam mo yun, I would really, really, really hope that we meet first. Parang gusto ko rin kitang makilala. I wanna meet you as well. I will send you back an email soon. So it's 8:25 p.m. right now. So I'm gonna send you an email later, and then we could just get in touch. And thank you, ang haba ng email mo. Sobrang tuwa ako doon. I really, really like long emails. I like reading long emails. So if you guys wanna chat up with me on my email, I'll put the link of my email below. So yeah. So hindi ko lang sigurado kung... Oh yeah, there were a lot of emails according dun sa for sale na kittens. I'm not sure if Kai is still for sale or Kai has been bought. So that's the name of the cat. Like, unfortunately, bigyan ko na siya ng pangalan kasi nag-iisa na lang siya. Si Kai. The one with the brown ears and brown paws. The Himalayan looking cat. So yeah. So that's it. Yun. Thank you so much, Dang, for the email. I will reply to you as soon as I can. 8:26 na actually, so maybe ngayon ako magre-reply. So yeah, so that's it. Maybe I'll talk to you in a while after nitong class ko. Kasi 4 na lang siya. And then after my 4 classes, ow! Okay. After my 4 classes, I'm gonna go down. So maybe sama ko kayo sa baba. For a change, baba ko kayo. So, yeah, let's go. Hi guys! Okay, so I'm gonna go down. Ang shiny ng forehead ko. Na-notice ko for the past few days, my forehead has been very shiny. Di ba, Mami? Hindi kita mapakita sa vlog. Oh, Mami, pero ganda-ganda. Kakainis. You wanna see her? Practice, wag lang. How did that? They're allergic of the camera. So, it's already 10:42 here at work. Aray! So, it's already 10:42 here at work. So, no more work. Uwi na ako. So,
Madali din daan mo.
hindi po niya to punto ni Coach. Ay, ni Miss Annie. Madam Ayn. Madam Ayn. Okay. Patakasunod ako. Busog na. Charot. Okay, so it's already 10:42. Off to home. Pauwi na. So, I'm not sure if me and Georgia will run tonight. Kasi last night, tumakbo kami. Pero, it's raining outside. So, I'm not sure. Kasi, I don't want Georgia to get the cold. Wala ako sa wisyo ngayon. I have died every day, babe. Si Boo Boo! This is Aryan's phone. Si Boo Boo! Kawaii na! Okay, so I'm gonna be gonna go home now. So, thank you so much for watching my vlog. I know medyo malikot na naman at magulo na naman ang buhay ko. Pero I hope you guys understand and I'll talk to you soon. Annyeong! Okay, so, since Ayin, oh, cute!
Kasi natutulog pa siya.
Oh, tutulog siya. Tingin.
Kasi 39% eh. 39.
Ay, tulog
So, mamaya
siya.
na.
And, maglalaro ko ng Henyo Trainer. Ay, Mami LJ? Buhay ka pa ba? Okay, I'm gonna play Henyo Trainer. Oh, shit. Bobo. While. Okay. Okay. Gets ko na. Ano siya? Pinoy Henyo Shungak. Okay. Laro tayo ng hardest game ever 2. Kasi wala akong smartphone, guys. I don't have a smartphone yet. So, let's see. No. Ito original.
Pwede pa ito no?
Cowboy bar shoot. Shoot all the glass in the bed. Instant fail. Okay. Okay. Pakita ko sa inyo paano laruin, ha? Talo ko. One more time. Syunga. Syunga. One more time. Mahirap na maglaro, ah.
Finally, I have something.
I'm a failure. Sorry natin, sorry. I overshot. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Alam ko, syunga ako. Oh well.